Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and we are back with part 2 of our Black Friday list of stunners from AliExpress. We have some of the absolute best watch brands from all different walks of life, and we can't wait to share them with you. Okay, you know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches.
They call me a god.
We are just about ready to go, but I wanted to ask you, if you will, subscribe to the channel if you've not yet done so. It really does help. Before we get going, let's do a quick wrist check. This is one of my favorite brands. This is the CD1035 by Ageloer. This is a great watch. It's very inexpensive and serves you well. Let's get started. We are going to start out with a bang. This is the SHY042 by Thorne. This watch is constructed with premium parts and components. It's spec'd out incredibly well. I'm talking about 316L grade stainless steel, sapphire crystal, and a screw-down case back and crown. It also has a ceramic bezel insert, and it's powered by the NH35. The case is 40 millimeters in diameter and 47.8 millimeters in length. The case thickness is 13.6 millimeters, and the lug width is 20 millimeters. This is a nice dive watch and provides you with 200 meters of water resistance. There are multiple layers of BG-W9 loom. It's both on the hands and the markers. Thorne will give you several variants of this awesome watch. During Black Friday week, you can get yours for $121. That was a great way to start out and build momentum, and we'll keep rolling. This is the Seastern S456. Seastern is one of those elite brands when it comes to affordable watches. This is another example showing how good they truly are. This watch has all of the usual specs for a top dive watch, but what makes these guys different is the details and the refinement. This diver has stainless steel, a screw-down case back and crown, sapphire crystal, a Japanese automatic movement, 100 meters of water resistance, a great bracelet with solid links and solid end links. It also has a milled clasp and some unbelievable finishing. All of the things that you've heard about Seastern and their refinement is absolutely true. It has an NH34 running that GMT, and it's 41 millimeters in diameter. Seastern is an amazing brand, and in my mind, they're one of the top 3 on AliExpress. This incredible watch can be yours for $229 during the Black Friday week. That is 2 down, and we still got a bunch to go, so we'll press on. This next one is the Ageloer Budapest. This watch has a lot to say. It has a unique design and spec'd out as good as any watch under a $200 range. It has impressive build quality, a reliable movement with 80 hours of power reserve. This dress watch is a stunner. The dial has various shades of blue and gray and a nice sunburst design. The further out from the dial you go, the darker it gets until you get black right up to the chapter ring. It's 40 millimeters in diameter and constructed with 316L stainless steel. The case is high polished and is perfect match for its bracelet. Power in the Ageloer is an in-house movement that is really impressive. It's the Ageloer caliber A6410 that has 80 hours of power reserve and beats at 4 Hertz, which is 28,800 beats per hour. This is an absolute stunner. A lot of people want to use this dress watch as their daily wear, and that's absolutely fine because it's built tough. You can get this watch for $161. We have made it to number 4. This is a great watch. This is the Kronos Bb39. Kronos makes a stellar watch. This one is 39 millimeters in diameter with 48.3 millimeters in length. Its thickness is only 11.1 millimeters. It comes with 316L stainless steel everywhere. I'm talking about the case, case back, bezel, bracelet, and crown. It has AR-coated sapphire crystal. The dial is enamel and sunray, and it has applied indices. This diver has 200 meters of water resistance, and it's a complete diver as well. You have 3 options for the movement: the NH35, a PT5000, or an SW200. This is a highly decorated brand and recognized around the world for their quality of affordable watches. This chrono would be on my short list, and it should be on yours. You can get it for $133 during Black Friday week. Here we are at number 5, and bringing us to number 5 is the San Martin 0136, and it is a bad boy. And let's start with this. My first impressions of the San Martin is focused on this incredible olive green sunburst dial. It has beautiful hands, applied indices, Everything is symmetrical, clean, and open. The legibility is incredible. This green and gold is outstanding. Although it looks like a dive watch, take a closer look at that chapter ring and you can see the 24-hour markers and know straight away this is a GMT. The 0136 is water resistant up to 200 meters, as you would expect. The entirety of this GMT is made of stainless steel. The measurements are 40 millimeters in diameter, 47.1 millimeters in length, and the case thickness is 13.4 millimeters. I got to have this San Martin, and you can get yours for $220. Here we are crossing the halfway mark. This is the Octopus OCT009. This is a tremendous value for about $50 off the normal price. This diver is crafted with premium parts. The case, back crown, and bezel are 316L stainless steel. This is another GMT with a 39 millimeter diameter and a 47 millimeter lug to lug. This GMT diver is loaded. It has sapphire crystal with AR coating and a ceramic bezel insert. There is a screw down case back and crown which supports the 200 meters of water resistance. The dial and bezel are coated with lume to help with the legibility during low light situations. This diver is powered by the Hangzhou Caliber 6440. This is an automatic GMT movement with a date. It also has 25 joules and a beat rate of 28,800 beats per hour. This is another one of those watches that are absolutely respected by collectors. This will be a great one for you to add to yours as well. It's marked down at this point for $280. One thing's for sure, that is a tough act to follow, but I got one screaming in behind it. This is a dive watch by Iron Watch. You are looking at a 200-meter diver. This has a retro look, yet it fits nicely with the watches of the day. This is a tough and reliable 40 millimeter dive watch that is built with solid stainless steel. The case back, case crown, and bracelet. The bracelet is upgraded and has solid links and solid end links. There's a domed AR coated sapphire crystal. It also has a 120 click unidirectional ceramic bezel insert. Power in this watch is a reliable Seiko NH35. This is a great looking watch, one that you can be proud of, and you can get yours for $153. We are all the way to number 9, and we're going to pull this one out of our bag of tricks. This is called the Vakuru. This, according to the company, is an original design. Power in the Vakuru is the NH35 automatic movement. The case back, and crown are 316L stainless steel. This beautiful dial is protected by an AR-coated sapphire crystal, and it's water resistant to 100 meters. And real quick, the measurements, it's 40 millimeters in diameter, 45 millimeters lug to lug, and that case is only 10 millimeters thick. This unique timepiece is available in 3 variants, including this mother of pearl. If you're looking for a truly unique watch, this is one for you to consider. It should be on your short list, and you can get it for only $70. Here we are. We have made it to number 10. We anchored down, gave you 9 bangers, and we got one more for you. This is the Aqua Trident. This is a 43 millimeter in diameter watch. It's 51 millimeters lug to lug, and the lug width is 22 millimeters. The case is made of advanced material bronze. After sometimes that bronze will oxidize because of the copper within. If you wipe that case down with lemon juice and baking soda, it will pop right back to the original bronze color. But do be aware, it will oxidize. These are beautiful watches, so take a look at the variants and you can see which one is right for you. This is a bronze automatic watch with 200 meters of water resistance. Well, there you are, 10 incredible watches for this AliExpress Black Friday week sale. We just gave you 10 incredible watches. I'm just going to get straight to the point. These are 10 bangers. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. If you saw anything that you enjoyed today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help. We discussed a lot of watches today. If any one of these caught your interest and you want to know more, we do have affiliate links in the description. If you go through these affiliate links to investigate these watches and find something that you would like to purchase, just remember, My Dude Watch does get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Okay, I've been told to wrap it up, so we're going to close the show. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.
They call me a god.